guys, welcome back to the channel. Now you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you continuing on our slime. It's called Purple Berry. And a simple system. It's purple and red and slime. Really stretchy. I made this. I made this yesterday and abandoned. I don't know why, don't ask me. It's really strong, so if you get sodium phosphor, make sure you don't put too much in. It's like 1 drop in the slime. Maybe take a couple, but only add 1 drop at a time. Or at least just a little bit at a time. Working. Really stretchy. When it doesn't stretch at all, and it has like lumps in it and stuff, and it stretches, and there's like little strings in it, and getting really bad way too much. Still a little bit sticky. I don't want to use it too much. Stirring it up. Yeah, those things that you see, these little bumps in it that you see, like these sounds, it's the back there. For some reason, I can't get it to mix with making. If they haven't done it too much because it's not as stretchy. See how the stretch when the stretch is high? Jiggly one. So yeah, let's open it. It doesn't poke, by the way, see? It just makes jiggle noises, like normal jiggly sounds. It is a little sticky. No activator because this is perfectly fine. It still doesn't stretch because it's a jiggly slime. And jiggly slimes don't normally stretch. As you go like super low. Like you probably have to go 100% slow. That's how slow you have to go to make it stretch really good. Putting this Pokemon again. So I gotta keep purple want to set my life. No, sorry about that. I'm sorry. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.